Bro, you messed up. You said we were gonna team and you just hit me. God, bro. By the way, this ice one is more worse than the fire one and even the water one. Like, bro.
Bro, wait.
Spirita. Bro. You need 50 more hits. The water abilities is actually more better, bro. Not even trolling, bro. Look at that explosion. It does more damage than the ice one. Can the owner please fix this, please? What explosion? The water explosion is the worst one. I mean the wind. Oh my god, bro. I need 40 more hits. We got it. Okay. Good. Okay? Can I hit you, bro? I actually need 40 more to get the next ability, bro.
Wait.
Oh my god, okay? You just messed up, bro. You actually just messed up.
Bro.
How did I miss? How did I miss? Bro. How did I miss that? Kaboom! I thought I hit you. Wow. Okay, I water exploded him. Oh my god, bro's using the laser power, okay? Water step. That was... Wait. No. Y'all saw nothing. Like actually. Y'all saw nothing. Kaboom! Oh, sorry.
Bro.
Oh my god. Oh, I just spawned on a pay to it. You joking me, bro? That Sean guy is actually one hit. Okay, it's teleporting there. I know. Okay, my calculations is right. And bro, I just hit you with my water explosion. Wow. And water step there. Okay, I'm actually going try hard like in Rivals. And bro's beaming me. Okay. Never use that again. Bro. Kaboom! Also, sorry. Sorry, I was trying to water explosion someone like.
It's okay. At least I got something much better.
Me too. I got the lightning ones. Okay.
I got the...
Oh, lightning TP. Power up by... Okay. Lightning strike there. Okay. The lightning strike's like the worst power here. Lightning TP, okay. Bro! Lightning strike there. Okay, I lightning strike Celestial Girl. I lightning strike him. Lightning strike powers, and it just got cancelled because someone hit me. Wow. Oh, lightning strike, lightning strike. Oh, I missed. Wow. Oh my god. Don't, please don't. Get away, get away.
Wait, don't move.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, lightning TP. Cover up. There. I'm actually being quiet right now. Bro! Oh my god, bro. Bro. How? You know why I'm being quiet right now? My mom's working. Lightning strike, and I just missed. Wow. Up. Oh, bro, I thought you were another guy. That's why oh my god, bro. Oh my god, okay. Wait. Bro. 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 My god. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Sorry, bro. God, bro.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Just got him for a little bit, okay? I'm him. Come near me. There, and I miss. Okay. What I didn't have, okay?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, lightning TP there, lightning TP there.
Really target the girl.
No, I'm targeting the Gojo. You mean the celestial girl?
Yeah.
Oh my god, sorry. Target him. Target, okay? Lightning strike, okay? I missed. Wow.
Oh, sorry. Oh my god.
I'm actually going to try hard. Oh my god. I'm actually going so try hard that I cannot even blink. Oh my god. Oh, go there. Okay. Oh, he missed it. There, okay. Oh my god. Bro's the hammer. Thing. Oh my god.
Bro, kill stealer. I kill stealer.
I'm actually there, bro. Cha.
Pre, may skill stealer. Ayan.
Oh my god.
Kinakalan.
Power up, okay. Lightning strike there. Oh, I'm sorry. I was blinded of the girl's black hole. Like actually.
Tara, ibang sir.
Wait, let's
Let's switch server.
okay. Let's do it then. Let's do it then, bro.
Okay, I managed to join one.
Oh, okay. Only the same one, please. Like actual. Do you have your
My thing is
camera?
glitching.
Okay.
My thing is glitching.
It's glitching. What's your signal right now? Full or not?
0.
Bruce actually lagging. Na. Bruce lagging. That's crazy, bro.
Okay, I managed to join now.
Okay, wait. Am I lagging or not? Wait. Okay, there. You said another server, then a private server. Okay. I thought I... Bro, what the heck? You just joined, you just actually joined a private server of somebody. Bro, wow.
There's only 3 players.
Oh my god. Bro, get him. He's a tryhard, bro. He's a
I'm not
tryhard.
attacking that. Bro is too overpowered.
Oh my god. He just canceled my thing. Just cancel my lightning strike, bro.
It's 1v1, bro.
No, how about okay. TP. Okay, and I just almost blew the map. I almost just followed the map. Oh my god, okay. Special. Oh my god. God, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Go there, go there, go there. Okay. Good. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Did he left? Oh my god, he
Nah,
didn't left.
he's
I
still
thought bro
here.
left. Wait, I'ma add him. Okay, wait. Do we teleport and surprise him, chat? Yo. Bro, come here. Come here. Come here right now. Oh. Good. Bro, come here. Come here. Come here. He's beaming you. Yeah. Yup him. Yup him. Bro, yup him. Bro. Go on your cell phone now. Bro. He's
What?
fighting me. He's fighting me. I was saying that
1v1
like
now.
1 minute ago. That's 350 hits. Oh yeah, bro. Can this guy already leave, bro? So we can run you on, bro. Oh my god, okay. Maybe I just did that on camera. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, bro. How? Okay, wait. Yo. Hmm. My mom just checked on the order. Okay.
Bro, where are you? Let's 1v1. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Green. Oh. What the heck did you just do?
1v1.
Bro, I thought we were gonna peek. Wait, let me reload my lightning strike. Bro. Bro, 1v1 him.
Nasando ka na kita ha. Mamaya ka na.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Like a tutubi. Okay, what the heck am I saying? Oh my god. Bro, I almost got beamed. Bro thinks he's my boss. Bro. I didn't lightning strike him. Bro, go here. Please, bro, go here right now. Like, bro. Why did you join an overpowered private server? I'm actually hiding. I don't know how am I doing this. Yo. Oh yeah. How am I doing this right now? How am I doing this? Wait. Like, how am I doing this? Are you there?
Yeah.
Bro, did you already defeat that guy? No, okay, bro.
No.
Those two actually overpowered.
Let's go. Let's go sneak up.
Wait, let's 1v1 on top of here. So ready? Get set. I said let's 1v1. Oh my god. Okay, bro, just katana'd me. Bro, I thought we were playing rivals for a bit there. Okay. Wow. Bro. Already what? What? My god. Teleport. Oh. Hoy. Bro is actually so overpowered. Like, bro, how? Bro is the best guy. Bro is the best guy I've ever seen in my life. Is bro there? What?
Oh no.
What? What, bro? Oh my god, okay. I tasered him. Bro, come here, my boy. Oh my god. Oh, no. Lock in, bro. Lock your ins. Like, actually, bro, lock your ins. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Oh, you have 15 seconds to just reload my lightning strike. Oh no. Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh. Hee. Bye, my boy. I'ma hide on that tree, bro. I hope they made a spectate board, bro. I think they. Let me check for a bit if this is the same one on that creates strongest battlegrounds, which is. Oh my god, bro, he's there. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my god, sorry, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. I need to wait another 15 seconds, bro. Bro. Fight him. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Bro, you're one hit. Bro's one hit too. Bro, I can beat him. Sorry. I actually need to beam him, bro. Sorry, I was chasing for him. And bro. Bro. Go here. Okay. Go here. Teleport. Okay. Oh. Okay. Bro. Can they? No. You know why I accidentally punched you? I was actually. Where you at? Okay. Bro, how did bro know you were gonna spawn there? How? My god. Oh my god, you just lace me, bro. Oh! That I was gonna teleport in front of him, not... Oh, I actually I cannot even say it. Wow. Bro's going here. Bro. No. Come here. Bro, I electrocuted him like 5 minutes ago. Oh my god. Oh, no. I'm one singular hit. Why, bro? Why? Okay, my god. Okay. Oh my god, bro. How did this spawn on top of the map, bro? Go to the top. Let's 1v1 here. I spawned on the top. Let's 1v1 here. I spawned on the top, by the way. Okay. Bro. Please. Bro, go on the top. I'm there.
Bro, he's almost dead. Help me.
What? You're almost dead, okay?
I'm saying he's almost dead.
Oh. I thought you're...
And he's full health.
I know he has a med... I know he has a healing strat.
No, if you kill a person, you will get full health.
Did you just die?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, that's embarrassing. Okay.
What do you mean embarrassing? At least I tried my best.
Me too. Oh, okay. Bro has 50 health. You have 50 health too, though. Bro. No, honoring. Wait, how did I miss that? Double team on him.
I'm almost dead.
Oh my god. Okay, I electrocuted him. Go here.
I'm
Oh.
using another power. I'm locking in.
Wait. Bro's low-key nice on me, bro. When Wait, I have a strat. If you stop moving, he walks away. Yeah, it did it to me. Sorry. It actually worked. At least I tried my best. Oh, I missed, bro. Why there? I teleported. Yeah. Good, okay. Let's double team on him. He's running. Fall right now. No, bro. No, James. Not funny, okay.
No, he survived.
He survived what? He survived that? Oh, he fell. Yes. I'm him. Oh my god, bro. Bro's coming back, bro. Bro's coming back. Oh my god, bro. That was hilarious. That was hilarious. Bro, oh my god. Oh my god, bro just cancelled it. Oh, bro, that was so hilarious, bro. How did I even do that, bro? Not even rolling. How? Like, bro, how? Oh my god, I missed. Okay. How did I do that, bro? How did I do that? Like, actually, bro, how? Come here. Stop moving. He's gonna stop moving. Like, stop moving. He's gonna run away. Wait. A free win, baby. Yay. Oh my god. Oh, stand still. Look. He's doing...
Bro, he's telling you something.
What?
Ano, tell your friend not to friend, bruh. Okay, tell.
Bye-bye, my boy. Bye-bye, my boy. We can get a win. Oh my... Wow. Stop moving.
Oy, Caleb, huwag ka na tumakbo. Don't run. Only attack him.
Bro, you said don't run. I'm attacking him. Okay? 30. I mean, like 60 or 40, okay? Oh my god. Bro's locking in. Wow. Wait. I'm him. No. Okay. The next one is 5, 6. Okay. I think I can teleport with that too, I think. Wait. Bro, you're doing the strat? Wait,
I'm just speaking down.
yeah. If I attack...
Oy, 2v1.
Let's do it. Okay then. Ready? Set. Kaboom! Kaboom! Oh my god. Actually trying right now. Sorry, man. Bro, I got out of the map. Let's do endless play there. Oh my god.
I don't know what
Yeah, bro. Bro, the driver is so slow. We're still waiting. We waited an hour now. Bro, where's the enemy at?
I killed them 2 times.
2 times? Me, like 1 time. I make him fell out of the map. Like actually, that it counts. Okay.
Oy, Caleb.
Okay.
Saan ka, Caleb?
Yun. Bro, walk in. Okay. Tasered him. Okay, bros. My god. Kuy there.
Oy, taga lang, he's typing. Wag.
What is bro saying?
I said, 1 life only. But game. Fight.
Fight only? Oh, sorry.
Well,
Wow. Where did bro go?
I died.
I'm sorry I punched you. I was trying to punch the guy. No way bro survived that. No way bro survived that attack. Oh my god. Okay. Just get around.
Caleb,
Okay.
pag nagwa 1v2 tayo, ano, 1 life only.
What? 1 life only?
Oh,
Okay. 1 life only. Okay. What do we do? Oh my god. Then I need to die because one life only.
we try again.
Okay, bro. Are we doing a challenge right
again.
now, bro?
Wag na.
Oh. Just got beamed.
Go na.
Attack. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. Bro's actually trying. Okay. Wait. Do I TP or not? TP there. Oh my god. Okay, I beamed him. I need to unlock it.
Oh,
I got a ability.
wait, teka lang, Caleb. 1v1 daw. 1v1.